Okay, so the goal for this time is to beat the game on hard. Oh god. You know what? I have to do it. Like, can't be a little bitch about it. Oh god. Now with even limited, item space. This is. Oh. Oh, you're killing me, bro. You're killing me. Like, I pick up the hammer. I know I need to keep the hammer on me at all times, and I'm obviously gonna need the bobby pin. And I don't believe he is in the house till later. I was about to say, um, I remember it being brighter, but I guess I always did have my flashlight out. Without the flashlight, um, well, it would certainly be a little annoying, but wouldn't be impossible. Yeah, common key, which is in the basement. I think what we need first is, there's a note right there. Okay, so let me just check. Okay, so yeah, one, two, three, four, five, six. Six more articles to get. My cat jumped onto my bed and made like a buzz on the room, and I was like, "What was that?" And then I'm gonna put a gun in my mouth. Oh, I feel like he's gonna beat the shit out of me. You know? You ever just know that's gonna happen? I can't even remember which drawer actually had the stuff in it. Certainly wasn't that one. I think it was the one in the actual hidden room. So that is two. This is where the bronze key is. Is it? I can't remember. No, this is. No, it is. Sounds like someone just had a really good fart. Just come this way, doesn't it? Or maybe it's making sure I have this unlocked before he does. I really like that animation. I don't know why. Just very satisfying. I feel like he's gonna. No? Well, I guess. In regards to that. Oh, fuck you. And I wish you could, drop items like that. I might risk it and go for a no save run. Because I got away last time pretty well. And I feel like I could do it again. Know what I mean? Except I'm gonna have to move around a lot more. because I only have a selected amount of items. And to be real, I'm always gonna have the flashlight and all on me at all times. Oh shit. I guess I could put all the VHSs in the toolbox. I have to say, I am deeply in love with this game. Genuinely one of the best, like, ones I've played. Okay, so this lets me into the kitchen. Okay. The only thing is once I get into the kitchen, he starts roaming. And roaming is very bad for me. I actually can't remember. Did we ever unlock that door? The one at the end of the hall? I know I was meant to go in, but I got a little spooked. He does show up here, doesn't he? Okay, maybe not. But he's gonna come down here. That's pretty obvious. Or not? See, the only thing though is when you have basically only one item slot to use, it's difficult when you've got an item that never disappears when you're using it. I know he's gonna be out here, isn't he? Or no, he only really spawns into the map after you unlock the thing. So, like specifically the one over there, I'm pretty sure. So if I just don't do that, you know? What if I unlock the one up here first as well? This one's just bandages though, which I guess isn't terrible. At least I always know they're there. Where else is one? In here? I mean, I can't say for sure. I know the one I meant to go to is downstairs in the thing. Okay, so no, not in here. Did I ever... I don't think I ever looked at that one on this side. Okay. I was having a flashback to the attic where he appears after you come. That static's getting pretty filled. I don't know why I interacted with that. I thought it was a note, even though I'd already just done that like moments before. Bro's bugging. Well, I know he's around. I really wish you could hear him use doors though. Actually, I'm pretty sure you can. Okay, that's dog food. So I have to go and put an item back. But see, that's the thing. What is that? That is a bear trap. That is also a bear trap. There's no way I can get around this, is there? Okay, cheesing the game is how you get around. Bro, could have sworn that that intro said he places them occasionally. So far I've seen two in the same area. Oh, and another. How polite of him. Who knows where others are? Probably fucking everywhere. I mean, at least it means I can get the bear trap achievement pretty easily for disarming them. But at the same time, it's kind of like it's pretty. Well, I mean, I ran right into that. Wow. Wow. That's the first time I've ever gotten hit. I heard his footsteps and I was like, shit. I only realized now that I probably could have gone backwards. Oh, now my vitals are low. That's good. There's no way he's coming back. Just after leaving, right? Surely. Heavy amounts of copium I'm doing here. So one bear trap takes most of your health away. Good to know. I should have just started the game the first time on one item. I wouldn't have known how much of a pain it was gonna be. At least that's quote unquote disarmed. So there's a very limited amount of places to go now, and a very limited amount of places he can be. So he's definitely in the basement, I would say, because that's like the only other place that I can think of. I think I am right about the static. Although, maybe not. Sometimes it does its own thing. Fucking hell, bro, that music. Okay, well, I'm definitely sleeping after that close call. Although I really want, like, dying to be the last achievement I get, because that would just be sick. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. He's gonna come into the basement. No. It sounds like footsteps, like, you know? Okay, just get this out of the way. Okay, so I have the doorknob, means I can go into the attic. And yeah. Yeah, I actually need to grab the fucking door handle, like. I'm definitely gonna run into him. I love this game so much, though. Jesus, that dog must have been fed in ages. That's where I get chased, definitely. Or maybe it isn't gonna, because it knows that I'm at a key part. That when I go back down, it's gonna... Although there's one thing I want to check before I go into this attic. Because I know he does something now, when it's on hard mode. Bro came out of fucking nowhere. Okay, well I'd assume he's downstairs now. If he was in here, then I would congratulate him on fucking teleporting. Ooh, that static's getting pretty bad. What is this lovely thing? There's a VHS, and there's that. That cabinet only has bandages in it. I kinda wanted this. That I know that is a disarming kit, and I kinda want it. But I know he's going to be at the bottom of here, because that's scripted. Wait, what is my health at? Stable. That's not good. That means I only got 2 hits before. Okay, wait, we can do it right here. Oh wait, I'm still holding it, aren't I? Yeah. Well, I'm one of the 5% of people who have disarmed a trap. I would call it a pretty big flex. actually changes. That's impressive, to be honest. Honestly, respect that choice. Okay, so last time I went down here, after grabbing the fob, he was scripted to stand at the end of that hallway, I believe. Okay. So I'm a schizo, but like you gotta believe me. Well, I mean, at least I got to disarm the trap one. That's something. Although there's no way he's not where I'm gonna need to go. You know? He's in the basement. I know he is. Once again, I thought that was walking. Oh, you actually can hear him open doors? That's really cool. Almost walked into that. I heard him. Wait, what? I mean, I know he saw me get in there, but like, I thought he was mentally retarded. A little. Just a smidge. Oh, that's not great. Not great at all. I should save. Do I even have a free space? Yes, I do. Okay, so critical, not good, obviously. Keeping it 100, bro. No clue what I'm doing right now. What I do know is I need help, so I need that key. See, this is why you need the hammer. I knew he was gonna do this. What good timing. I heard him like? I don't trust it, bro. I heard him. But to even use the bandages, I need him to not come near me for a bit. Okay, bro, I am genuinely confused on what I'm doing now. I know I turned on the water. I know the pot is downstairs. So, what else did I... So, I know valve. Oh yeah, the padlock has a frequency written onto it. So I need to look at which one it is. And then after, I do all the normal stuff. And the common key in the basement. That's what I was remembering. If he comes up here, I'm dead if he does. 570. Okay. I can't believe I forgot about that. I guess no time like the present. I liked it better when I believed he didn't walk around. Actually, I should do this now. That makes more sense. Hello, bucket. Okay, so it's 743, I think. Oh, he's definitely this way. Open the fucking door. Oh, you fuck. shit, bro. Look at how close he was. Bro, it's disgusting. I'm actually going to die. Which is a genuine problem. Okay, so it's 743. In fact, I'm gonna keep it real. I might just complete a hard difficulty normally and then do the secret ending on its own. Let me make sure he didn't block this. I fucking knew it. Bro is obsessed. What if you just don't have anywhere to hide? What happens? Did he block the one up here? Surely he didn't. He's never seen me in it, yeah. Oh, I was right. Oh my god. I need to get to the closet. Blood! Blood! Whoa. Oh my fuck. In the fucking attic of all places? Fuck me. He was definitely boarding up the fucking wall. And nice. Well, I would say now is probably a good time for a video to guess where it is. In the fucking attic. How the fuck was I even meant to see that he was here? Oh my god. I still have this fucking key on me? Right, well, I've accepted the fact that I am most certainly fucking dead. Well, there we go, I'm dead. I don't see how I'm not, but alright. Should he not get alerted to that? Frank. Oh, bro. Oh, I need to go back up to the attic again. Like for the 5th fucking time. Yeah, you know what? If I'm doing the secret ending, I'm gonna be doing that on the normal. Because there's no fucking way I'm pulling it off of one item slot every time. There's no way he boarded this up. Bitch! He's gonna know. There's no way he wouldn't know. Yeah. Not very happy about that. Is he still in here? Surely he isn't. My life can't fucking take this anymore. I feel like he's coming up here. Just give me the rope, bro. In fact, no, because I can't even use the rope because I didn't fill the pot with water and then magically put that pot of water onto the fireplace. This is so fucking annoying. But at least the achievement isn't doing hard mode with no deaths. I dislike the part where he gets stuck in corners. That bothers me. Fuck. I mean, if I died, I guess it wouldn't be too bad. Because I would just start with doing the pot. This is where I get fucking beaten to death. I need to put this upstairs anyway. What am I, like, am I even playing the game at this point? Or am I just completely brain dead? I mean, because it's like, if I do it on this, I'm gonna have to keep running up and down like several times. I feel like finding the secret that way just isn't fun. Right, well, I'm dead. I knew he was fucking in there. Why wouldn't he be? If dying once, it seems that's all I can do now. Good. For a second there, I thought that wasn't unlocked, and I was gonna go apeshit. bro. He's coming. I don't trust it, bro. I genuinely don't. And in all fairness, I don't want to be doing this like 60 times. Fuck. If only I could heal. I mean, there's bandages in the attic, which if I'm going up for rope, then sure, I can use them then. But besides that, it's not really like gonna happen, is it? Fuck. Now I'm too worried to go out. Because I just know, bro. I know he's gonna be there. You know what? I died. What difference does it really make? I swear if he jumps me, I'll have an epileptic fit. Oh my god. I'm so lucky I didn't pick that attic. If, you know, he wasn't even there, I don't know. Either way, I hate him. He's definitely going downstairs. Surely. High levels of copium, and it's starting to get worse, and he's up here, isn't he? No, but he sure doesn't seem fucking far. I've made a terrible choice. He's the paranoia is exceptional. he didn't block it. That's something. I'm not waiting. I don't give a shit. I'm just getting out of here on hard mode. I'll do the secret next time. Okay, well, there we go. I was really hoping I was going to do the secret. But it seems I underestimated how hard was going to be. And my life is nothing but constant torment. Damn. Well, wait. No, that's... Is that not the ladder? Oh, I went too far. Wasn't that daytime? The first time he got picked up?
Hey, kid, are you Jesus Christ, what happened to you?
I ate them. They wanted me to, but I got away.
What are you talking about? Who are they? Who did this to you?
The Tuckers. Tucker Farm.
Okay, well, as much as I love that cutscene. Well, I got both rare achievements this round, only non-rare ones to get. But yeah, your mom.